Editing internal user profiles. After the internal user profile has been created, additional tabs and tools will be accessible. First thing to note, if the user has a role in any document, their full name will be highlighted green. If they do not have any roles, then the name will stay black. Each user profile has 4 different icons. The first icon is editing the user details. The password can also be reset from this page by changing the Reset Password radio button from No to Yes, then clicking the Update button. The user will then be emailed a new password. The first new tab that appears is the Default Roles tab. Default roles can be assigned to templates or documents, and to any or all business units. The user will then be automatically assigned the selected role in any new templates or documents that are created in the selected business unit. The next tab in the list is the Approval Functions tab. After selecting the available approval functions, the user can be selected as an approver if any documents require approval routing. Setting up the approval process is covered in a separate video. The next tab is the Active Documents tab. This lists all the documents the user currently has a role and has access to. Each document has a set of icons. The user roles can be changed for that document, the user logs for the document can be viewed, or the user can be removed from the document entirely. Using the badge links at the top can either replace all the user roles with another user, delete them from all the documents, or replace all the user's library section ownership. Before a user can be deleted from the system, they must have all their roles replaced with a different user, or deleted. After the user roles are removed, the full name will change from green back to black, and the user can be safely deleted from the system. The final tab is the Historical Roles tab. If the user have their roles replaced in any document, they will be listed under this tab. Click the Update button to save all the changes. The next icon in the user profile is the user log. This will show the login, document, and section actions for each user in all of the documents they had access to. The next icon is to delete the user. If the username is black, then the user can be deleted, otherwise the roles must be removed from the active documents first. The final user profile icon is to lock or unlock the user from the system. The user can be locked manually, or if they enter their password incorrectly a number of times, they will automatically be locked out of the system, and the administrator can unlock them using that icon. At the top of each business unit, there is also an additional user log to show the logs for all the users who reside in that unit, and the option to lock or unlock all of the users at the same time within that unit. Next, there is an option to show deleted users in the system. When a user is deleted, it is not fully deleted from the system, rather it's disabled and hidden. Checking the Show Deleted Items box will show these deleted users, and they will be highlighted red. You can search for any external user by clicking the search link, then clicking the 3-dot menu to filter any of the columns. Finally, there is an option to group any of the columns to view information easier. Drag the column name to the header to group, then drag it out of the header to ungroup the column.